everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how to download and install Eclipse for running the Java programs. So here I open my Google Chrome and here I given like Eclipse download for Windows 10. So now you can see this window. So now you can observe many links for downloading your Eclipse. So I will choose the first one. So Eclipse download. So this is a window you can see after you're clicking on that option. So here is an option. You can get your Eclipse IDE 2021 9 for your desktop, and it is a download and compatible for 64-bit processor. So you just click on this. So here you have download option. So it start downloading. Here I downloaded and after completion of this downloading, so you can find out that this file length is 113 MB. So it's downloaded. So it shows like 14 seconds is left for downloading this file. So after downloading, you are finding this exe file and you are going to install into your desktop or laptop. So you can see my file is almost completed downloading. So downloading is completed. So just go through the file where it is. So you just click on show in folder. Now you can find out the exe file where it is downloaded. So in mine, it is downloaded in my desktop because I chosen that as a location. I just click on this Eclipse installation. So it starts installation process. So I just minimize all my windows. So now you can see here, you can find out Eclipse installer. So it starts installation. So now you're finding this option like it will ask you for what purpose you're going to install your IDE, that is of your Eclipse IDE. So by using this IDE, you can implement many of things like here what it displayed. So Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and it is for C or C++. So and again it is for Enterprise Java Edition, and all these things you have. So you can choose one of the option that depends on your requirement. And here I'm installing my Eclipse IDE for my Java. So I can choose this option, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So it will show you defaultly. So with Java JDK version you are already installed in your desktop. So remember one thing, before you're going to install your Eclipse IDE, you have to install JDK first in your laptop. It automatically show you the path. And after that it will show you where your IDE is going to be installed in your PC. So this is my location. So if you want to change, you just click on here. So it will give you the other options. You can choose your required place where we have to install your IDE. So I just click on this install option. So you have to accept all these things, accept now. So it starts installing. See here you can observe your file is going to be installed. So this will show you the status bar. What percentage of this file is installed in your desktop. So we have to wait until the installation process is complete. Then only we can see this IDE on your desktop. So we'll wait for a few minutes. So after Eclipse, it completes its installation, it will show you like this. So now you just click on launch button. So it is of a first time, like the installation process, it will make all the setups. So you can find out here, you have to select a directory or a workspace. So I just so here by default it will show me like in my PC, in C drive I have created my workspace. I just click on this launch button. So it starts your Eclipse IDE. So now you can see this is an IDE. It is open for you. So here see we have an options. So this is a home page which is open after your installation. So this is the first time you are getting all these options. So here you want to give any review for this IDE configuration settings, and if you want to create a hello world application or create your new Java project and everything, these options is available for you. You just click on this create